Learn English with Kevin. Vocabulary. Stories. Conversation. Unit 1, Greeting. What do you do?
Hello, Anna.
Hi, Kevin. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Busy. I've been working a lot these days.
What do you do?
I'm a chef.
Great. Where do you work?
I work at the Vietnamese restaurant.
Do you like your job?
Of course, I love cooking. What do you do?
I don't have a job. I'm looking for a job.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'd like to work as a bartender.
Oh. Good luck.
Thanks.
What are you doing?
Hi, Kevin. What are you doing?
I'm sending a message to a coworker.
Do you use messages often?
Sometimes. How about you?
I often surf the net for TikTok and Facebook.
The internet is great.
Hey Kevin, would you do me a favor? I want to check some messages on Facebook.
Of course. Wait for me for about 3 minutes.
Thanks.
Where are you from? Hello, I'm Kevin.
Nice to meet you, Kevin. My name is Sauri.
It's a pleasure.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney. How about you?
I'm from Tokyo, Japan.
What are you doing in Australia?
I'm traveling, and I'm visiting some of my friends in Sydney.
How old is she?
Hi, Bruno. Where are you going?
I'm going to Olivia's house.
Olivia. Who is she?
She is my cousin and today is her birthday.
That's great. How old is she?
She is 4 years old. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course. What's your question?
I want to buy her a gift, but I don't know what to buy.
You can buy her some clothes, shoes, or toys.
That's a good idea. I think many kids like toys.
I think so.
So, I will buy her some toys. Thanks.
Unit 2. Time. What's today's date?
What's today's date?
It's July 13th.
Oh. I forgot to reserve a table at an Italy restaurant.
What do you book a table at a restaurant for?
Because I'm going to celebrate my wedding anniversary.
When is your wedding anniversary?
It's on the 15th.
Oh, that's soon. You should call the restaurant to reserve a table today.
What time does the restaurant close today?
I don't know. But you should call early. Because the restaurant will be crowded on weekends.
Okay. I will make a phone call now.
Good luck.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's almost 4 p.m.
Great. It's almost time to go home. Would you like to have dinner with me?
I'd love to. But I still have some work to finish.
How long do you think it will take?
Probably 30 minutes.
Really? So how about tomorrow?
Sure. That's fine. I'll be free any time after 5 p.m.
All right, see you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I will come pick you up.
What time did you go to bed?
Hey Anna, you look really tired.
I hardly slept last night.
What time did you go to bed?
Around 3 a.m., then I got up at 7 a.m.
Why, what happened?
I have some work to finish, because I have a presentation today.
You did it all last night?
I spent about 6 hours to finish it.
Really? You're hardworking.
How long does it take to get there?
I'm going to camp with some of my friends. Would you like to come too?
Maybe. How long will the trip take?
We'll go for 5 days.
That sounds good. How are you going to get there?
We'll go there by motorbike. It will be cheaper than a car.
How long does it take to get there?
It's not very far. We'll be gone for about half a day.
So we'll need a day just ride a motorbike.
That's right.
I can't ride a motorbike for long, so I'll think about that.